Unboxing the Logitech G335.
If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below.
I've used the G435 Lightspeeds, but I haven't used these, so I had to pick them up. Overall, the box is very attractive in classic Logitech fashion. They have fantastic graphic designers, but let's get into this. Shows you a little bit of setup information on the top here, and a nice pull-out tab to pull this out. That's good design. Very nice little box in here, vibrant blue with that very cool glossy white. I think they do a great color scheme. Looks like an accessory box, which I think you put your thumb in that way. Yeah, that's very nice. A nice little touch that's added with that. So I guess the cable's in here. Okay, yeah, so this is the splitter for your mic and audio. You have some paperwork as well. Oh, and that's it. You get this huge box just for those, which is interesting, but there it is. All right, there's a little pull tab here, which is a very cool unboxing process, especially for a headset that's not super expensive. Obviously, this is fully wired, but taking these out for the price, these are very, very cool looking. I love this accent band up there. It's overall very, very light, similar to the G435 Lightspeeds, so it should sit very comfortably on your head. Gloss accents around this, which in white, looks fantastic. It really is a pretty headset. You get a volume wheel here. There is no tactility, but it does have a permanent stop up there and then a permanent stop there. The earmuffs have a lot of travel, so very, very plush. Seems like they're gonna be very comfortable. You have the rubberized arm here, but it looks like it's very good. Look at how it's holding that. So that looks pretty good. It is a little floppy, obviously, but it's very pretty. You have like gloss accents up here. I think they really knocked this out of the park as far as the design, and it's so light. I'm excited to see how comfortable this is on head. Now the cable here, this is one knock. It's just rubberized, it's nothing special, but for the price, these seem like they're gonna be really good. But let's check out what else is in the box. You have, is it just this Logitech sticker in here? Yeah, looks like we just have one Logitech sticker, and that is everything else in the box. But let's jump to the full review of the G335s.
And this is the Logitech G335, coming in at a price tag of $37.99. Now let's talk build quality. You get quite a bit more in terms of the build quality section, so let's talk about it. It's completely made of plastic, but it's all thick and has nice glossy accents throughout. It's lightweight at 240 grams, which is amazing for long usage. This really cuts down on the overall head fatigue when wearing for long gaming sessions. We all love a lightweight headset. This also feels super well put together without feeling cheap. There's no like creaks and rattles with this headset. It's just really well put together. Not all Logitech headsets are like that. The Logitech G332 SE, which is essentially the same design as this, but made significantly more cheaper, had creaks and rattles, and that headset just wasn't great at all, but this one has really awesome build quality and fit and finish. The cloth adjustable top strap provides nice padding on the top of the head and looks awesome with that pop of orange. Overall, these are solid. However, I do wish they were a little bit more adjustable for head sizes, but for the price, I can't really argue. Now, sound quality here is actually pretty dang clear. Trebles and mids are well balanced, but a tad muddy. You don't get as much upper frequency response or that deep, deep bass as the more expensive headset, but again, for this $37.99 price tag, we really can't go wrong here. In-game directional sound is great. Footsteps are clear and crisp. You can tell where bombs are dropping and going off, although I definitely like more bass for that emotional side of gaming. Now, for controls and connectivity, there's a volume wheel on the left side, and that's all the controls you get. And then connectivity is a non-detachable 3.5mm connection. Now let's move on to comfort, because this is one of the areas that I really was impressed with. Comfort is actually amazing here. They are light, my ears fit inside of the muffs, and the muffs themselves are extremely soft and plush. They're also light and airy, so you kind of forget you're wearing them. For super long all-night gaming sessions, there is literally no problem with fatigue, and that's something that I really appreciate. You guys know that. Sweating while gaming, again, no problem here. When you take them off your head after a long gaming session, you feel no noticeable fatigue, and that's something that not every headset has. Now, the interesting thing here is, again, for this price point, this has a really exceptional mic. But don't take my word for it, take a listen for yourself.
This is the mic test of the Logitech G335s. Check. 1, 2, 3.
Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.